least 250 if they've been complaining that their heater's not working. I discovered that the flashing light was saying there was a rollout switch that was open. I bypassed each one of them to see which one would operate, and it did not operate until I bypassed this one here. This is the bad one. It can run temporarily bypassed. I'll go ahead and let the house heat up a little bit. This is the part that I have to replace here. You can see that it's all burned up there. See that white right there? Yeah, it's a bad shape of blue. You can see where it blew. Physically. So that's needs replaced. And everything will work. That's all it was. I'll get it, try to get it. Alright, so the new rollout switch is in. As you can see, this one was fried. All that white stuff coming out of there. Show you how that why that wasn't working right. We got rid of that, put the new one in. Now we're going to demonstrate everything still works. So if you can, give me a thermostat up a little bit just so I can trigger it. Unless it's already going to do that, it looks like. Maybe it got cold enough it's ready to go. Let's see. If not, we'll turn it on. Turn it up a little bit. Huh? Yeah, I was telling you if it, that's fine, there it goes. It cooled down enough to trigger back on. And there we go, we got a working furnace perfectly. Doing everything it's supposed to do. Awesome. It is fixed.